maybe to your neighborhood. Let's bring in criminal defense attorney Joseph Tully. Kind of a sweetheart deal for a demon child. So to my calculations, he's 15 now. He was 13 at the time of the crime, right? Time served, so that's about 2 years. So it's 25 behind bars, then 10 and 10. So that puts him out at around 38, 39, roughly, if he doesn't have any other infractions. What do you think about this? Pleading guilty to second degree, he avoids the maximum, the mandatory penalty in the state of Florida of life behind bars. Had he been tried and found convicted of first degree?
Oh, had he been tried, he would have been convicted of first degree. This is definitely a sweetheart deal. However, I think that it is the system recognizing that there are legal issues with this circumstance. As you pointed out, he was 13 at the time of the incident. He's pled guilty, so we can call it crime now, but he was 13. He called 911 on himself. He confessed. His behavior was very bizarre. He didn't know his address. He just knew that what the number was on the door. The 911 operator had to kind of coach him to get mail so he could give the address. None of it really made logical sense. From my point of view, I do see a lot of mental health issues being in the criminal defense industry. And while crimes must be punished and horrific crimes must be pursued and tried and justice must be achieved, I do think this is a good case that points out that we have very severe problems with mental health issues, and that we will continue to have criminal law issues because of the mental health issues. We're spending a lot of time and resources on this trial, but you know, that there is some thought to, you know, some prevention in terms of mental health treatment might have avoided all of this.
What I do like about it is the judge was really explaining the process to him, even though his attorney's sitting next to him. I'm sure she did a great job of that as well as his advocate. But he also explained the fact that we are going to evaluate you through this process, and if you do get released, we're going to evaluate you. I have about 15 seconds. Joseph?
Sure. So the judge was a very good judge. He has to dot all the I's and cross all the T's.
You're right.
So that the plea doesn't get overturned on appeal.
Joseph Tully, thank you. I'm hearing the music. Coming up, more from Florida, where Derek Rosa has now pleaded guilty. We'll be back after the break.